Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video we are going to be installing a new handlebar, some red handlebar grips, and a full throttle. There's a lot we're going to have to break down for this, but let's see how it all turns out when we're all finished. Okay guys, here we go. We're going to start off from the left hand side and work our way to the right. Take off the mirror, take off the grips, take off the brakes, everything. I really like these grips too. It's gonna suck not using them, but it's gotta be done. Next up is the horn, which I might just take this off altogether. Since I switched to the bar light, this thing's pretty much, can't even use it. I didn't hook the plug, so it doesn't even work anymore. There we go. There we go. I'm out. There it is. All right guys, as you can see, we got everything off. I got the brakes, got the gears, got the horn, everything's off. Okay, and here is the new bar. Go ahead and get it on. Stuff is the wrong size. Okay, here we go. We got the new bar installed. However, I'm going to have to take off the horn and probably the phone holder right here. But in order to do that, I'm gonna have to unwind all of these and then take off the seat to access everything. So here we go. Okay, we just got the seat cover off. Now we have to track this. This is the horn. Let's see where this goes and take it out. Here, let's clip this off. We'll replace those. Okay. Probably get a snip right here too. There we go. This is the horn. Let's get it out of here. It's gonna be red, black, and white. I should mark this. You know what, for right now, we'll leave it plugged. Plug it up first. Just leave it plugged. This is the phone holder right here. We already have one, so let's go ahead and take this out. Let's go ahead and follow the line. It's right here. Here's the phone holder. Let's go ahead and take it out. Here's the horn, which doesn't work since we took out the large headlight. We'll go ahead and take this out of commission. Now let's find the throttle. Okay guys, so for the throttle, the wire colors are going to be a white and yellow and a green, red, and black right here. And for the new throttle, it looks like it's going to be a plug and play, so that'll be nice. Yellow and white, green, red, and black, so that'll be cool. Okay, here's the new one right here. Here's the old one, so we'll just go ahead and follow the same route. Let's go ahead and slip this through. It's kind of a tight squeeze through this hole right here. You guys probably can't see it. All right. Right here. There we go. Let's go ahead and pull it through. Here's the old throttle. Let's unplug the white and yellow first. Which the white and yellow is going to get plugged into two reds down here. You guys probably can't see it, but it's two reds. Okay, I think it's in. This is black, green, and red. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, that's snapped. Go ahead and pull the old one out. Tight squeeze, there we go, we got it. Let's go ahead and see if we can test it somehow. So we got the full throttle in and it does work. I did test it out, so it's working. Let's get all the wires, bundle them up, tie them down, get the seat back on, and we're good, we're golden. And then of course, we're gonna have to cut this off, put on the other grip. Okay, we got one of the grips on. We're gonna go ahead and use this grip glue that we just got. And let's see if this thing works. Let's drop it in there. My first time using grip glues. Okay, here we go. Right about, it's pretty stuck on there now. It's not gonna move anywhere. Again, we're using some grip glue. It works pretty good. I like it. So far we got one grip on. We got the brakes. We got the LCD screen. Bar lights installed. Now what we have to do is get all these. We're gonna wrap it up. Get this all nice and tidy. And then just kind of pull it underneath. Zip tie it up. Get the seat on and we should be pretty good. I have the bag that I still need to put on, which is right here underneath all this garbage. And last but not least, we're going to cut this off, put the other grip on there. Perfect. Looks clean. There. Now let's go ahead and zip tie this up. All right, we have everything all zip tied. Everything's in there. All the wires are tucked away. Let's go ahead and clip them off. Oh no! There we go. Pretty much sealed the deal right here. All we have to do is put on the bag. Not too shabby. Okay, everything works. The bike is running fine. We're gonna have to take off this grip right now and put on the other one. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so we got the new full twist throttle. We're testing it out. Right now it feels very snappy, very good in response. There's no lag time or anything like that. And with the new grips, the ODI grips, it feels really comfortable. And also I did add the low profile handlebar and that's working out as well. I think it's a better look to the bike. And overall it just feels like a completely different bike. I think it looks better. I mean, for simple upgrades that are not too expensive, I'm really happy with it.